how to claim money from Western Union. I'm gonna explain how this works. You will have three different options. If I click on menu here and then I select send money, you will need to choose the country which you will be sending money to. I'll just do this as an example, so the Philippines as an example. And then you will see different payment methods. Now, one of the methods which is going to be available for almost all countries is going to be cash pickup. So the first way of how you can claim your money is going to be going to a physical Western Union location. There, you will need to provide your government issued ID, the sender's details, and also the 10-digit MTCN, which is going to be the money transfer control number. There are also different ways of how you can claim your money. Now, you may have received your funds directly into a mobile wallet. For example, here, GCash. You can see that you can use different mobile wallets to receive your funds directly. And if you have received your money or have money sent to your mobile wallet, you want to check that specific wallet for the amount. And the last method is going to be getting your money directly into your bank account here. So as you can see, bank account is also an available method. So people might send money directly into your bank account using Western Union. So make sure you check out your bank account balance as well. And that is how you can claim your money. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.